Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this realistic body on Berry Avenue. So first you're going to want to go to the body here and you're going to search for strong body dynamic. This is for the guy, by the way, for like the masculine body, and you're going to only select the arms and the legs. You can't really see it. Just select wear on it. I don't know why this other one doesn't work. Oh, it does. Okay. Then you're going to type in the all-star tall body. Then you're going to only want to click on the torso, which is this one. And as you can see, you have a realistic body. This is just an example though. My character is obviously wearing curl clothes, so it looks kind of weird, but that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Just edit your outfit. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!